The Burkina Faso Armed Forces is the term used for the national military of Burkina Faso. The service branches of the armed forces include its army, air force, national gendarmerie and people's militia. Being a landlocked country, Burkina Faso has no navy. In 1966, a military coup deposed the first president of Upper Volta, Maurice Yamogo, suspended the constitution, dissolved the National Assembly, and placed Lieutenant Colonel Sangoule Lamizana at the head of a government of senior army officers. The army remained in power for 4 years. On June 14, 1970, the Voltans ratified a new constitution that established a 4-year transition period toward complete civilian rule. Lamizana remained in power throughout the 1970s as president of military or mixed civil-military governments. After conflict over the 1970 constitution, a new constitution was written and approved in 1977, and Lamizana was re-elected by open elections in 1978. Lamizana's government faced problems with the country's traditionally powerful trade unions, and on November 25, 1980, Colonel Say Zerbo overthrew President Lamizana in a bloodless coup. Colonel Zerbo established the Military Committee of Recovery for National Progress as the supreme governmental authority, thus eradicating the 1977 constitution. Colonel Zerbo also encountered resistance from trade unions and was overthrown 2 years later on November 7, 1982, by Major Drive Jean-Baptiste Ouedraogo and the Council of Popular Salvation. The CSP continued to ban political parties and organizations, yet promised a transition to civilian rule and a new constitution. Factional infighting developed between moderates in the CSP and radicals led by Captain Thomas Sankara, who was appointed Prime Minister in January 1983. The internal political struggle and Sankara's leftist rhetoric led to his arrest and subsequent efforts to bring about his release. Directed by Captain Blaise Compaoré, this release effort resulted in yet another military coup d'etat on August 4, 1983. Compaoré came to power in a 1987 coup that led to the death of Sankara. On February 15, 2011, soldiers mutinied in Ouagadougou over unpaid housing allowances. On April 18, 2011, it was reported that the mutiny had spread to Kayar after demonstrations in Po and Tenkodogo. On April 29, 2011, the army said the mutiny would end after Compaoré promised to improve the military's housing, clothing and food allowances, though there were later protests by soldiers. After a coup by members of the Regiment of Presidential Security on September 16, 2015, army units marched on Ouagadougou to oppose the coup, resulting in the restoration of Burkina Faso's transitional government on September 23, 2015. The Army of Burkina Faso is a skeletonized force structure of some 5,800 to 6,000 officers and men, augmented by a conscript force or people's militia of some 45,000 men and women. Unlike the police and security forces, the army and the people's militia are organized along Soviet, Chinese models and precepts. The army is equipped with light-wheeled armored cars, some mounting cannon. The International Institute for Strategic Studies estimated in 2011-12 that Burkina Faso had 6,400 personnel in L'armée de terre in 3 military regions, 1 tank battalion, 5 infantry regiments that may be under strength, and an airborne regiment. Artillery and engineer battalions are also listed. In recent years, the United States has begun providing military assistance and training to Burkina Faso's ground forces. It has trained 3 750-man battalions for peace support operations in Darfur. During a recent UN inspection, a U.S. Department of Defense evaluation team found Burkina's Lafi battalion fit to deploy to Sudan. Using a small Department of Defense international military education and training budget, the U.S. Embassy has established English language courses at an LUT military base, and has brought LUT officers to attend officer basic training courses in the U.S. The government of Burkina Faso has also accepted additional U.S. training assistance in counterterrorism tactics and humanitarian assistance. Burkina Faso has recently become a member of the Trans-Sahara Counter-Terrorism Partnership. 3 years of increasingly frequent and deadly attacks by various jihadist groups prompted the replacement of the Army Chief of Staff, General Omarou Sadou, appointed 3 years ago with the same mandate, with General Moise Minengao on 6 January 2019. There is a multinational training camp in Lombila Department, staffed by Czech and Polish instructors. The Air Force was founded in 1964 as the Escadrille de la République de Haute Volta or the Republic of Upper Volta Air Squadron, a subordinate unit of the Army. That year, a transient air support base was created with the assistance of the French Air Force. After acquiring an initial fleet of utility and transport aircraft, the squadron was attached to an inter-army support regiment. In 1970, the Escadrille was